Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Plus. Today we have 2006 Mazda MX-5, stock number 6251. This ran from the 10th 2005 to the 7th 2015. It has an NC 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual transmission. This is the NC 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front headlight. Left front 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Left front guard no dents. Front bonnet no dents. Left front door mirror. Left front door no dents. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Left rear tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Right front headlight. Right front 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Right front door no dents. Right front door mirror. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Manual gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory single stack stereo. Interior mirror. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel. Instrument cluster.